Spill cut method. The spill cut method is a procedure used in diesel engines to set the correct fuel injection timing. Disconnect the first injector pipe at the fuel injection pump's end. Remove the first delivery valve holder, valve pin, and spring. Fit the swan neck pipe on the first delivery valve holder. Connect the fuel gallery of the fuel injection pump to the fuel container placed at a higher level. Loosen the fuel injection pump mountings. Move the FIP towards the engine till the fuel starts flowing freely through the swan neck pipe. Now move the FIP away from the engine till the fuel flow is cut off completely. Again, move the FIP towards the engine and stop when the fuel flow regulates in such a way that there is a flow of a drop between 15 to 20 seconds. Now, tighten the bolts of the fuel injection pump flange without varying the flow of the drop. Remove the swan neck pipe and delivery valve holder and replace the pin and spring and fit the delivery valve holder. Connect the pressure pipes between the injectors and fuel injection pump. Thus, the spill cut method on the engine is done successfully, ensuring correct fuel injection timing and efficient engine performance.